Have you ever heard the term case number and wondered what it actually means? In the world of legal proceedings, a case number is more than just a random string of digits and letters. It serves as a unique identifier for every legal case filed in a court system. This number helps everyone involved, lawyers, judges, clerks, and even you, keep track of the case as it moves through the legal process. In this video, we'll break down what a case number is, why it's so important, and how it can make your life easier when dealing with legal matters. Let's start by understanding the basics. A case number is a unique code assigned to each legal case when it is filed in court. Think of it as a fingerprint for your case. No two are exactly alike. This number is used to identify and track the case throughout its journey in the legal system. Whether it's a civil lawsuit, a criminal prosecution, or a family law matter, every case gets its own number. The format of a case number can vary depending on the court and jurisdiction, but its purpose remains the same: to ensure that every case is organized and easy to find. If you're involved in a legal case, you'll need to know where to find your case number. Typically, this number is listed on all official court documents related to your case. You might see it on the top right corner of a complaint, summons, or court order. If you have access to an online court record system, you can usually search for your case by entering your name or other details, and the case number will appear in the results. Knowing where to look is the first step in staying organized. You might wonder why a case number is so important. The answer is simple: it keeps everything organized. Courts handle thousands of cases every year, and without a unique number for each one, it would be nearly impossible to keep track of all the paperwork, hearings, and decisions. The case number ensures that every document, motion, and ruling is correctly filed and associated with the right case. This helps prevent mix-ups and makes it easier for everyone to find the information they need. Not all case numbers look the same. Different courts and jurisdictions have their own systems for assigning case number. For example, a federal court case number might include the year, the type of case, and a sequence number, while a state court might use a different format. Understanding the structure of your case number can help you determine where your case is being handled and what type of case it is. This can be especially helpful if you're dealing with multiple cases in different courts. A typical case number is made up of several parts. These can include the year the case was filed, a code for the type of case, and a sequential number. For example, a case number might look like 2023CV011234, where 2023 is the year, CV stands for civil, and 01234 is the unique sequence. Each part of the case number provides valuable information about the case, making it easier to sort and locate among thousands of others. When a new case is filed, the court's clerk assigns a case number based on the court's numbering system. This process is usually automated, ensuring that each new case receives a unique number. The assignment is immediate, and the number is then used on all subsequent documents and filings related to that case. This system helps prevent duplicate numbers and ensures that every case can be tracked from start to finish. Once you have your case number, you can use it to track the progress of your case. Many courts offer online portals where you can enter your case number to see upcoming hearings, file documents, and the current status of your case. This makes it much easier to stay informed and prepared, especially if you're representing yourself or just want to keep tabs on what's happening. Case numbers are public information, but they don't reveal personal details about the parties involved. This helps protect your privacy while still allowing the public to access court records. If you're concerned about sensitive information, rest assured that the case number alone won't disclose your identity or the specifics of your case. Only those with access to the full court file can see more detailed information. Researchers, journalists, and legal professionals often use case numbers to find and study specific cases. By searching for a case number in court databases, they can access all public documents and rulings related to that case. This makes case numbers an essential tool for anyone who needs to gather information about legal proceedings, whether for academic, professional, or personal reasons. When a case is appealed, it usually receives a new case number in the appellate court. This new number helps distinguish the appeal from the original trial court case. Both numbers are important for tracking the history and status of the case as it moves through different levels of the court system. Always keep a record of both numbers if you're involved in an appeal. Case numbers can also indicate the type of case, criminal or civil. For example, a criminal case might include CR in the number, while a civil case might use CV. This helps court staff and the public quickly identify the nature of the case just by glancing at the number. Understanding these codes can help you navigate the court system more effectively. Some case numbers include codes that indicate the specific court or location where the case was filed. For example, a number might include NY for New York or LA for Los Angeles. This is especially helpful in large jurisdictions with multiple courts, as it ensures that everyone knows exactly where the case is being handled. The year or date of filing is often included in the case number. This makes it easy to determine when a case was started, which can be important for deadlines, statutes of limitations, and understanding the timeline of the case. Always check the date portion of your case number to know how old your case is. In cases with multiple parties, such as class actions or lawsuits with several defendants, the case number remains the same for all parties involved. This ensures that every document and motion is filed under the correct case, no matter how many people are participating. It keeps the process streamlined and avoids confusion. When paying court fees, you'll often be asked to provide your case number. This ensures that your payment is correctly applied to your case and not someone else's. Always double-check your case number when making payments to avoid delays or misapplied funds. When you attend a court hearing, you'll need to know your case number. Court staff use this number to check you in, direct you to the right courtroom, and ensure that your case is called at the correct time. Having your case number handy can make the process much smoother and less stressful. If you hire a lawyer, they will need your case number to access your file, submit documents, and communicate with the court. The case number acts as a reference point for all legal professionals involved, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and working on the correct case. If you're representing yourself in court, your case number is your lifeline. You'll use it to file documents, check your case status, and communicate with court staff. Always keep your case number in a safe place and include it on every document you submit to the court. Every time you file a document with the court, you must include your case number. This ensures that your paperwork is added to the correct file and considered by the judge. Missing or incorrect case numbers can lead to delays or even the rejection of your documents. Court orders and judgments always reference the case number. This links the order to the correct case and ensures that the ruling is properly recorded. If you receive a court order, double-check that your case number is correct to avoid any confusion. Whenever the court sends you a notice, such as a hearing date or a request for information, it will include your case number. This helps you quickly identify which case the notice refers to, especially if you're involved in more than one legal matter. All court records are organized by case number. This makes it easy for court staff, lawyers, and the public to locate specific files. If you need to request a copy of a document or review the case file, you'll need to provide the case number. Want to know the status of your case? Use your case number to check online or contact the court clerk. The case number is the key that unlocks all the information about your case, from upcoming hearings to final judgments. When submitting evidence, you must label each item with your case number. This ensures that the evidence is properly cataloged and considered as part of your case. Proper labeling helps avoid lost or misplaced evidence, which can be critical to your case's outcome. If you appeal a decision, your case will be assigned a new number in the appellate court. Keep track of both the original and appellate case numbers, as you may need to reference both when communicating with the court or submitting documents. Court calendars and dockets are organized by case number. This helps judges and court staff schedule hearings and manage their workload efficiently. If you want to know when your next hearing is, check the court calendar using your case number. Most court systems allow the public to access basic case information using the case number. This promotes transparency and accountability in the legal system. However, sensitive details are usually restricted to protect privacy. Sometimes, multiple related cases are consolidated into one. In these situations, the court may assign a new case number to the consolidated case, while still referencing the original numbers. This helps keep everything organized and ensures that all related matters are addressed together. If your case is transferred to another court, it may receive a new case number. Always keep a record of both the old and new numbers to avoid confusion and ensure that you can track your case throughout the transfer process. Modern court systems use technology to manage case numbers and files. Electronic filing systems and databases rely on case numbers to organize and retrieve documents quickly. This makes the legal process more efficient and reduces the risk of lost paperwork. In international or cross-border cases, case numbers help coordinate between different legal systems. Each jurisdiction assigns its own number, but referencing all relevant numbers ensures that documents and decisions are properly shared and recognized. Legal research tools and databases use case numbers as the primary way to search for cases. Whether you're a lawyer, student, or just curious, entering a case number will bring up all available information about that case, making research fast and accurate. When citing a case in legal documents or academic papers, the case number is often included. This allows readers to locate the exact case being referenced and verify the information. Proper citation is essential for credibility and accuracy. Legal notices, such as subpoenas or summonses, always include the case number. This ensures that the notice is connected to the correct case and that all parties are properly informed. Always check your case number when you receive a legal notice. When a case is closed, the case number is used to archive all documents and records. This makes it easy to retrieve information in the future if needed, whether for appeals, background checks, or other legal matters. Whenever you contact the court by phone, email, or in person, you'll be asked for your case number. This helps court staff quickly locate your file and provide accurate information. Always have your case number ready when communicating with the court. If you're seeking legal aid or assistance, you'll need to provide your case number. This allows legal aid organizations to access your file, understand your situation, and offer the right support. Accurate case numbers ensure you get the help you need. Employers, landlords, and others may use case numbers to conduct background checks. This helps them verify the status and outcome of legal cases involving potential employees or tenants. Accurate case numbers make the process faster and more reliable. Many legal deadlines are tied to your case number and filing date. Missing a deadline can have serious consequences, so always use your case number to track important dates and ensure you meet all requirements. During courtroom proceedings, the judge and court staff will refer to your case by its number. This ensures that everyone is discussing the correct case and that the record is accurate. Always listen for your case number when your matter is being called. Case management systems rely on case numbers to organize, schedule, and monitor the progress of cases. This helps courts operate efficiently and ensures that cases move forward without unnecessary delays. Most legal forms require you to enter your case number at the top of the page. This ensures that the form is filed in the correct case and processed without delay. Double-check your case number before submitting any forms. Legal notifications, such as updates or reminders from the court, always reference your case number. This helps you stay informed and ensures that you never miss important information about your case. To wrap up, a case number is much more than just a string of digits. It's the backbone of the legal systems organization, ensuring that every case is tracked, managed, and resolved efficiently. Whether you're a party to a case, a lawyer, or just someone interested in the legal process, understanding and using your case number correctly is essential. Always keep your case number handy and use it whenever you interact with the court. It's your key to navigating the legal system with confidence.